Hello everyone. So let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is find longest special substring that occurs thrice. Okay, so we are given a string which consists of lowercase English letters, and a string is called special if it is made up of only single character. For example, okay, ABC is not a special because special string contains only single characters like TDD, ZZ, F. Okay, and we have to return the longest special substring of s which occurs at least thrice, or -1 if no special substring occurs at least thrice. Okay, so in this example the string is a. So we know what are substring of this string. We'll get a. Okay, again we'll get a, then this. Okay, so these are substring of this string. So we'll get a for 4 times, like as a substring of this string, and we'll get 2 a's for 3 times. We'll get 3 a's for 2 times as it is substring, like this 3a and then this. Okay, then again we'll get substring of all 4a's. So what we have to return, we have to return what longest special substring of s. So what is special substring? Special string is basically which has same characters. Okay, and what we have to return, which exist at least 3 times. Okay, so here which substring exists 3 times, this. And what is the length of this substring is 2, so that is why it is returning 2. So if we check this example a b c d e f, here we like all are unique characters, so there is no special substring which present, so no point of ending the I mean how many times, like single character also not repeating, so it is returning -1. If we see this string here, if we consider this string, again what substring will get, a will get 3 times, B will get 2 times, and we will get C 1. Okay, again we'll get another substring, but which will not be special because it will contain different characters like A, B, both are different, not same, right? So here, longest substring which exists 3 times and which is special is what? The size is 1. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this question. Okay, so what we can do is first find the substring which are identical. Okay, so that means we can, like if we know this all, okay, this thing, then we can find, right, which one exists 3 times and which has more, like larger length, right, longest length. So what we can do first, we will use a map to store this a. So and uh, its number of occurrences. So a occurs 3 times, then b 2 times, and c 1. So and at the end we will check. At the end means while inserting only in the map, we can check if the number of occurrence is 3, then we can consider it for our answer. Then we can maximize our answer for every substring which are identical and which exist thrice. Okay, so let's start coding. So let's say int n is equal to s dot length. Then we want a map of what? String and integer. We'll use a hash map, simple. Okay, now we have to iterate our string as well, right, to generate the substrings. Okay, so instead of first approach is brute force, which we can do, like find all the substring, then check if it is identical, and then insert into the map, and then check the size, I mean longest length. Okay, and then maximize it and return it. So this is a way. We are now solving with another way which uses a hash map only, but a little bit optimized one. Okay, so you can solve this question using binary search, or like other methods are there. Today I'm solving this. Okay, in this video I'm explaining using hash map. So what we can do is, instead of considering all the substring, we will consider only identical substring. Okay, so let's say in this example this a, or let's say this example here, what we will do is we will check. Okay, so let's say this example only a. Okay, for better understanding, um, first I'll check a and I'll insert in my map with size 1. Then my pointer goes to this. Okay, then I'll use another pointer. Okay, like this I, and one will be j. then I'll my j will move to this second. Then I will check if my I and j are same or not. I mean the value at index I and j. If both are same, I can use this substring in the map and I can insert into the map. Then again my j will be here. Again I'll check I and j. Then I'll insert this into the map. Okay, let's say here we have b. Okay, to get a clear understanding. Then then my j will be here, and I and j values are not same. So we will stop here and we'll increment I. Okay, now my j again will start from what? My j will start from this I only. Again a comes, then we'll increment the count. Again j points here, and I is at first position, j is at second position. Then we got a as a substring. We have already, we'll just increment the count. Then j comes here, then we'll stop because both are not same. Okay, value. Then again we'll increment the I'll be here a, and j will also be here a. So we'll increment the count to 3. Then j moves forward, but I and j are not same values. Then again we'll start from b. Okay, I points to b, then b, and j is also pointing to b, so b size is 1. Okay, these are number of occurrences. This is a key and value, okay, for map. Then again j moves to a, b and a are not same, so I increment. I is again at this position. Then j is also at this position, we'll increment to 4. J moves forward, we got aa, I'll increment the number to 3. Then length, I mean ends. Then I moves to this a, and j is also here, so I'll increment this count to 5. So we will get this. Okay, while doing this, okay, while updating the man, that time only we can check if my Mm. if my this value is greater, it is 3. Okay, because we want at least 3. Okay, 5 is also okay, 3 is also okay, 4 is also okay, but 2 is not okay. So at least we want 3. But what we want the longest special string. So here from a and a, which is the longest? A, so it will return 2. Okay, so let's implement this. We need a j pointer with pointing to I initially, while that's a j is less than n, and what? And s dot char at position j if it equal to s dot char at I. Then what we are going to do? We are going to put into it into the map. Okay, let's say we have one count, int count equal to 0. Okay, and here we will do what? We will first check into the map our, if map dot contains key our. Okay, we want a substring also, right? String substring is equal to s dot substring from where I to j plus 1, because this is excluded, right? In substring we have this first start and end is included, so it will be from I to j only. Okay, contains keyword substring. If it contains in the map, then map dot put this substring, and we want the count rate, get what? Substring plus 1. Else we'll just put map dot put substring comma 1. Okay, now this is for this thing we are updating. At that time only, what we can do is we can check if map dot get substring equal to 3, then, or we can check greater than or equal to 3, not necessarily equal to, because it is written, right, at least thrice. And we'll put the count as -1. Okay, or let's say we will consider it as an answer only. Then what we will do, we'll do answer is equal to mat dot max of answer comma what? Length of substring. So substring dot length. Okay, and at the end we will return our answer. So this way we can solve this. Okay, first let me check something. Yeah, and main thing we forgot, that we have to increment our what? We have to increment j pointer here. Okay, every time. Then only it will move forward, right? That is why it was giving time limited, time limit exceeded. So yeah, you can see this example. Those test cases are getting accepted. We'll submit. Or else we can do in code that instead of checking here, we can check outside also. Let's say we will try. Okay, now we built our map, and then at the end we can do one thing. um, we'll get a set. Okay, from where map dot key set, and we'll get a key. Okay, then answer is equal to math dot max of answer, comma what. Again we have to check here if, wait, here it should be string, not if s1 dot, mm, if s1 dot not, if map dot get s1, okay, we will get a value. If it is greater than or equal to 3, then we'll do the same thing. Okay, whatever we done there, here we'll do the same thing, that if it is greater than s1 dot, it will also work. Because we are using the map store, initially we stored, yeah, here you can see, maybe um, here we here it is less time. Okay, because there maybe we are checking every time get, here we are doing it only once. Okay, and at the end, there we were doing for everything, like for every iteration when we get our uh, identical string or special string, so that time we are doing, so this will be better. So you can solve this question using hash map. Okay, so there are different methods also, but in this video I'm explaining this using hash map. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank